are leaving. What was it? Oh my god. Commentary of the big moment. Yes, come on. What?
We were attacked. We don't know what it was.
Oh my god.
It's Cloverfield all over!
It's like mad zoomed in.
Someone broke the door. The window.
I think it was a smell. It was
crazy. He's crazy.
Yes! Yes! Oh my god. Oh damn! Oh damn! Yo, we out! We out! Go. No, save him! Save him! Save him!
Is that your car right there, Lena? It's too much.
Where are we going? Girl, they're gonna hit your car. Yo, how they gonna get? Shoot, man, you better park the car far away. Save it. They might send us home. I don't know if I should. So we're at their car. Save it. Yo, go see my man and see my yo. What?